Crash course on German economy, a study of Germany's economic system, including its major industries, innovations, and global impact. Certainly, here is your crash course on German economy. Germany is the fourth largest economy in the world, and one of the most innovative and technologically advanced countries in Europe. It is the largest national economy in Europe and the Eurozone, and its industries span a wide range of sectors, from automotive and engineering to finance and technology. One of the most interesting examples of German innovation is the invention of the automobile. In 1886, Karl Benz built the world's first gasoline-powered car, and since then, German automotive companies such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen have become renowned for their high-quality vehicles. In addition to the automotive industry, Germany is also home to many other major sectors, including 1. Engineering. Germany is renowned for its precision engineering and machinery industries, which produce high-tech equipment for various sectors, such as medical technology, aerospace, and renewable energy. 2. Chemicals. The German chemical industry is one of the largest in the world and is known for producing innovative and high-quality products, such as pharmaceuticals, plastics, and specialty chemicals. 3. Finance. Germany is a major financial center, with Frankfurt serving as one of the largest financial hubs in Europe. German banks, such as Deutsche Bank and Commerzbank, are major players in the global financial industry. 4. Technology. Germany is home to many technology companies, such as SAP, Siemens, and Bosch, that are leading the way in areas like software development, automation, and renewable energy. 5. Energy. Germany is a world leader in renewable energy, particularly in solar and wind power. The country is committed to phasing out nuclear energy and increasing its use of renewables. 6. Agriculture. Germany has a strong agricultural sector, producing a wide range of crops, such as wheat, barley, potatoes, and sugar beets. 7. Tourism. Germany is a popular tourist destination, with its rich history, culture, and natural beauty attracting millions of visitors every year. 8. Healthcare. Germany is known for having one of the best healthcare systems in the world, with a strong focus on preventative medicine and a high standard of care. 9. Education. Germany has a highly regarded education system, with many world-class universities and research institutions. 10. Retail. Germany has a thriving retail industry, with major companies like Aldi and Lidl dominating the grocery market. 11. Logistics. Germany is a hub for international trade and has a highly developed logistics industry that facilitates the movement of goods around the world. 12. Media. Germany has a diverse media industry, including major newspapers, TV stations, and radio stations. In summary, Germany's economy is a highly diversified and innovative one, with strengths in many different sectors. Its engineering, chemical, and automotive industries have been particularly influential in shaping the global economy. Germany's commitment to renewable energy and focus on high-quality products have also made it a leader in sustainability and quality. And now, as promised, here is a poem and song about Germany's economy. Poem. Germany's economy is strong and diverse, with innovation and technology at its forefront. From automobiles to chemicals to finance and more. It's an economic powerhouse that can't be ignored. Sectors like engineering and renewable energy are leading the way in the fight for sustainability. With a focus on quality and precision, Germany's industries are always on a mission. The world looks to Germany for its innovation, and its economic strength is a source of admiration. With a commitment to excellence and forward thinking, the future of Germany's economy is always bright and glistening. Song. Verse 1. Germany's economy is on the rise. With innovation and technology, it's no surprise. From the auto industry to chemicals and more, its sectors are strong and diverse, that's for sure. Verse 2. From cars to machines, their engineering's sublime. Manufacturing prowess, admired worldwide. The country's a hub for innovation and design, with patents and inventions, a legacy defined. Chorus. Germany's economy, a powerhouse of might. Sectors diversified, shining ever so bright. Leaders in technology, exports reach great height. Germany's economy, a story of success and might. Verse 3. Tourism and services, also thrive with grace. Financial and legal, hold a special place. Agriculture and forestry, contribute to the mix. Energy and renewables, the country's in the mix. Chorus. Germany's economy, a powerhouse of might. Sectors diversified, shining ever so bright. Leaders in technology, exports reach great height. Germany's economy, a story of success and might. Bridge. Through times of hardship, they've shown their resilience. Efficient and skilled, they've conquered the distance. Innovation and hard work, a path to greatness. A symbol of progress, a beacon of brightness. Chorus. Germany's economy, a powerhouse of might. Sectors diversified, shining ever so bright. Leaders in technology, exports reach great height. Germany's economy, a story of success and might. Outro. Germany, oh Germany, your economy's a sight. A story of success, shining ever so bright. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.